From the very first frame, you can feel it. The way each moment flows into the next, soft, seamless, almost like a memory unfolding. That's the power of transitions. Not just connecting clips, but enhancing emotion, turning simple wedding footage into something deeply romantic and cinematic. In this video, we will use FILMORA 15 to craft those emotions, shaping each scene with rhythm and grace, so every transition feels natural and every frame tells a story. If you don't have FILMORA 15, check the description of this video for the direct download link. So download Wondershare FILMORA and start a new project. Import all of your footage into the media tab and place them one by one into the video track in the timeline. So once all set, we will use a background music. You may import your own or use any of the background music available in the audio library. Let's use this music, so drag and drop to the audio track. We might need to trim the clips before we apply the transitions, and it's best to set the transition at the beat drops. You can detect the beats in the music by using the Smart Edit tool beat detection. So the beats are now visible. You may trim. If you are creating a music themed video, then use the beat detection. Otherwise, if you are maybe creating a horror movie, the transitions should happen at the right places to enhance the feel or the suspense of the video. Now let's see how we can convert these slideshow videos to something cinematic using transitions. All the transition assets in the FILMORA 15 are sorted by categories so that you may find the perfect one. Since the topic of today's video is wedding ceremony, we can start off by Valentine themed transitions. Now I love these transitions, they are so beautiful. These ink drop transitions have different versions. You may use it in your videos. So let's drag and drop here and see what happens to the clip. It looks so beautiful, seamless and meaningful. The ink drop perfectly matches the beat, which makes it even more beautiful. Let's see the next transition. It happens so abruptly, and there are some light leak transitions that are also perfect, and I always use these light leak transitions in my cinematic videos. The slow pace matches the rhythm of the music and it adds so much cinematic feel to the clips. You can use it for your photo montage, your vlogs, and these light leak transitions definitely ignite the spark of emotion. So let's use it and see what happens. It's beautiful, but I want to try another one. It looks better and I love it. For the next transition, we can search for heart shape transitions. So we can use any of this for the next transition. I used this one. Fade and dissolve transitions always go with this type of videos. So let's use some. Great. There are a few transitions I want to specifically show you. Firstly, film frame, where some frames appear on the screen and it looks so beautiful. Let me apply one and show you the result. There are a few slide transitions I want to also check out, like diagonal slide. This can add dynamic effect into your videos. Let's try this one. So that's how it looks. There are photo frame transitions which will also go perfectly with the theme of today's project. Let's apply a few of them and show you the result. So this is how simple transitions can turn your footage into something truly cinematic, adding emotion, flow and meaning to every moment. Now it's your turn. Open up Filmora, experiment with these techniques and start creating your own story. And if you haven't already, download Filmora 15 using the link in the description of this video and bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one.